going on, everybody? I posted on YouTube for 2 months and I'm gonna show you my results today. In the past 2 months, I've gotten 360 subscribers as well as almost 200, I think we're at 197 Skool members, and I just wanted to make this video in hopes to maybe inspire somebody else to start a YouTube channel. I know it's not a crazy amount of subscribers or views that I've gotten, but I've found it really valuable just being able to especially create a niche community on Skool where we all just talk about AI every day. You know, we're posting results in there as well as people building their first automations and things like that. And so just having a community like that has probably been one of the coolest things I've ever been a part of. Really, it's awesome, and I created it within a short period of time, and I'm super pumped about that. So I think my results show that you might not always get a ton of views or a ton of subscribers, but you can still build something valuable within your type of niche. And I think that's what I want to prove in this video by just explaining to you guys, you know, what my results were. So why I started this YouTube channel, I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but just that thought of not getting anywhere fast, I don't know what that barrier is, but just like posting a couple videos and only getting like a couple of views. I've done it before, but just that barrier to entry always just like kept me from consistently posting. And so this year I made a commitment and said I'm gonna post, you know, as consistent as possible, hopefully every day for 2 months. And so this is the time where I'm just letting you guys know where I'm at. But yeah, I just wanted to post as consistently as possible. How I found the niche was I've owned a marketing agency for the past 3 years, and I wanted to really scale as much as possible as I could with just a one-person team. And so with all these AI agents and, you know, AI automations coming out, I was like, okay, I wonder if I could, you know, get a bunch of AI employees to do stuff for me. And, you know, just to take some load off of what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. And I found that really helpful. It just piqued my interest, and I thought I could help people, you know, build their own automations or just provide business owners with automations that would help them scale, or give their team or employees automations to help them save time and eventually save money. You know, if you're one step ahead of somebody, then you're going to provide value to the person behind you, and that's really all that you need. You don't need to be the absolute best in everything that you do. I think your personality and confidence also has a lot to do with that, and so that's just what I found, how I've started, and why I chose that niche. Another thing I wanted to point out is I think YouTube is the greatest source of leads that I have ever been a part of. If you're talking potential clients or even like email signups, things like that, Skool members, that's a lead system as well. I've never seen the amount of warm leads as I have with this YouTube channel, and so I'm really just kind of all in on YouTube with this niche right now. Another thing I set out to do for any type of AI automation work, I was just gonna, you know, rely on warm leads from YouTube. I was just going to go heavy on content, and that's exactly what I did, and has provided me with great results. I really want to get the point across that I think YouTube is probably the best social media platform that you can use if you're trying to run a service-based business or like a digital business or anything like that. I think, you know, Instagram, TikTok, those are all great as well. I think those should be secondary. Like for example, if you're posting YouTube shorts like I have been doing, I post them on Instagram as well, just to spread it out across different platforms. But I think YouTube is the main social media platform that you should focus on, and I wish I would have done it sooner, but you know, that's the past. But now I'm just really heavy on YouTube, and I think you should be also. Having something like a YouTube channel or just a business that is your own is extremely powerful, and you know it's yours, and you can see the future of it, you know, providing you with benefits in the future, and just something that you can, you know, look forward to every day, and something that's consistently growing that you created. I think it gives you like a source of energy just to keep going, and you know, it's like the ultimate motivation. Like, you want something that's yours that can provide you with a good life, create connections, create community. And I think with this YouTube channel, that's really done that for me. And I'm just excited to, you know, wake up and build this thing every day. I've always just liked building things that are my own. And this is just an extreme example of that. And so I hope this motivates you to maybe do the same thing for yourself. I know there's so much resistance to starting something on your own. There's going to be trial and error. In my mind, if you're thinking about doing something like this, I would just say start right now. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to have everything dialed in. You figure it out along the way. You learn what to do and what not to do. And the quicker you do that, the quicker you'll find out, what area you want to be in, what people want to see, and then that's how you can create something. Now that I've gotten this far, my plans with this YouTube channel is just to keep producing the same type of content that people want to see, provide people and businesses with real results from AI and automation. I really enjoy tech in general, and I think AI is the future, and if you're not using it, you're probably going to get left behind. And so I'm extremely passionate about that. I'm going to keep growing this YouTube and Skool community. If you haven't created a YouTube channel, just do it, figure it out along the way. And I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.